Hi guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. Today I would like to show you how to make this ivory Christmas tree skirt. It will be hand knitted in a circle way, and it will look really nice and beautiful under your Christmas tree. You will need 4 pounds of merino wool. This is ivory color. And if you would like to knit this Christmas tree skirt with jumbo chenille that we have at BeCozi.net, or if you want to knit it with chunky chenille, you would need to increase the number of stitches. We will start this with 14 stitches. For jumbo chenille, add 2 more, so it will be 16 stitches. If you're using chunky chenille, you would need to add 4 or 5 more stitches. So you will be starting with 18 or 19 stitches. If you're knitting really tight, then even 20, okay? Then otherwise, the pattern is completely the same. Just follow our direction on this video and you will make a really beautiful Christmas tree skirt. Let's get started.